Hello friends, this is Ariba and I have started series of phrasal verbs. So over here we are studying 5 more phrasal verbs by letter A. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. So our first phrasal verb that we are studying is account for. And can you first just guess the meaning by looking at these words like account for? Can you guess what would be the meaning? And you have 3 choices over here. First is to laugh, second is to open an account, third is to explain a reason. The meaning is to explain or to give a reason या फिर वजाहत देना किसी भी चीज़ की. We have some examples over here. Let's look at these. Account for the time, वक्त की वजाहत. Account for the cash, cash की वजाहत के कहाँ पे यूज़ किया. Account for the promises, वादों की वजाहत. जैसे कि अगर किसी ने वादा किया और वो टूट गया हो, so आप कह सकते हैं कि you have to account for the promises that you have broken. I would I would encourage you if you will memorize it right away, and the best way is to just repeat it 15 times. Let's look at one more example over here. मुझसे तवक्को ना करें कि मैं उस कैश की वजाहत दूंगी जो मेरे भाई ने खर्च की थी. Don't expect me to account for the cash my brother had spent. And the correct pronunciation would be, let me explain it to you. So, don't के अंदर जो T है वो silent हो जाएगा and it would be like don't, don't. Expect ही रहेगा, me भी ही रहेगा. To में T में थोड़ा सा ठ की sound आती है जैसे कि to. और account में भी C में ख की आवाज आती है जैसे कि account. For जो है वो उसका O silent हो जाता है तो ये हो जाएगा for की जगह fur, like short हो जाएगा. और the वैसे ही रहेगा. कैश में C में थोड़ा सा ख की वॉइस आएगी, like it's not cash, it's cash. My brother had spent. So let me give you an example. Don't expect me to account for the cash my brother had spent. Can you try it speaking one time? Second phrasal verb that we are studying today is accuse of. And can you guess the meaning? You have 3 choices. First choice is blame, second choice is to support, and third choice is failure. So we were studying the phrasal verb accuse of, and the meaning is to blame or ilzam lagana. Here we have few examples. First is accuse of the murder, कत्ल का इल्ज़ाम लगाना. Accuse of the betrayal, धोखे का इल्ज़ाम लगाना. या फिर accuse of being silent, चुप रहने का इल्ज़ाम लगाना. And I would encourage you if you will memorize it. Let's look at one more example over here. मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूँ, उसने मुझ पर अपने बटुए में से रकम चुराने का इल्ज़ाम लगाया है. And the English would be, I am mad. He accused me of stealing money out of his wallet. And let's examine pronunciation. So I am जो है वो बन जाएगा, like am. I'm mad. He accused में C जो है वो again उसमें ख की आवाज आएगी जैसे कि accused. Me of में जो F है वो V बन जाएगा and stealing का G silent हो जाएगा और of में वी आ जाएगा। तो इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कुछ ऐसी होगी, I'm mad he accused me of stealing money out of his wallet. Let's move to our next phrasal verb, which is aware of. Can you just guess the meaning with these choices? First is to know something, second is to grow, and third is to understand. The answer is to know something, or you can say किसी चीज़ के मुतालिक जानना. And here we have some more examples. Aware of the risks, खतरे से आगाही, aware of the problem, मसले से आगाही, aware of the situation, सूरत हाल से आगाही. Last example for this phrasal verb. मैं उनकी ज़िंदगी के होने वाले सभी वाक़यात से वाकिफ़ थी. I was aware of all the incidents that happened in his life. And our pronunciation would be I was aware of all the incidents that happened in his life. So this is pretty much simple, this one. Let's move to the next phrasal verb, which is admit to. And can you guess the meaning? The first choice is to acknowledge or confess. Second meaning is to cry, and third is to get home. The meaning of admit to is to confess या फिर कबूल करना. And here we have a few examples again. First is admit to your mistakes, अपनी गलतियों का एतराफ़ करना. Admit to being lazy, सुस्त होने का एतराफ़ करना. Admit to being wrong, गलत होने का एतराफ़ करना. And it would be better if you will memorize it right away, because if we will get lazy, then we won't be able to remember it when it will be needed. Let's see one more example of admit to. अपनी गलतियों को accept करने से मत घबराएं. Don't be afraid to admit to your mistakes. And in pronunciation, the T of don't is silent, so it'd be like don't. And the sentence will be don't be afraid to admit to your mistakes. The last phrasal verb of this video is about to. And can you guess the meaning? First choice is close to slash ready to. Second is to make trouble. Third is lost in thoughts. So the meaning of about to is कोई भी काम होने ही वाला हो. जैसे कि here we have some examples. About to go, जाने ही वाली थी. About to say, कहने ही वाली थी. About to cook, खाना बनाने ही वाली थी. Here we have one more example. मैं अभी नहीं गई हूँ लेकिन मैं जाने ही वाली हूँ पार्टी में. I haven't gone yet, but I'm about to go to the party. And correct pronunciation will be like I haven't gone yet, but I'm about to go to the party. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please share and subscribe. And also tell me your two most favorite phrasal verbs that you learned from this video.